The reason why your car is wasting gas has been found. Come on, look. This air filter is full of dirt. Do you see it? Look. Do you see it? Did you never replace it?
Does this need to be replaced?
Let me tell you, many parts on the car have a fixed maintenance cycle. If you don't replace it according to the regulations, it will easily cause problems. Listen carefully. Air conditioner filter replaced once a year. Otherwise, there will be a bad smell in the car, and the air conditioning effect will be poor. If this shock stone is driven by a chain, it basically does not need to be replaced. But if it's on a belt, 100,000 kilometers must be replaced. Otherwise, once disconnected, the engine is directly scrapped. The antifreeze should be changed every 60,000 kilometers. Otherwise, it is easy to cause internal damage to the engine. Change the gearbox oil every 60,000 kilometers. Otherwise, there will be problems such as slow speed increase, failure to move in gear, and driving frustration. This belt needs to be changed every 80,000 kilometers. Otherwise, once the car is disconnected, it will break down. This throttle is cleaned every 15,000 kilometers. Otherwise, the idling speed is unstable and easy to stall. This oil should be changed every 7,500 kilometers. Otherwise, the engine will wear out very quickly. The brake fluid should be changed every 2 years. Otherwise, it will affect the braking effect. Ordinary spark plugs are replaced every 30,000 kilometers. A better spark plug should be replaced every 60,000 kilometers. Otherwise, it will cause engine vibration and weak acceleration. This air filter should be replaced every 15,000 kilometers. Otherwise, there will be insufficient power and increased fuel consumption. Have you learned it? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.